I have to show you some awesome functions that will help you clean your data within seconds. Step 1. I can see some unusual symbols in my data. They can typically appear when you import data from older systems. However, we can just use Excel's clean function to get rid of all of them. In fact, the clean function was specifically designed to remove the first 32 non-printable ACI characters. Step 2. Even after using Excel's clean function, there are still some issues with our data, right? For instance, many cells contain unwanted spaces. To address this, we can enhance our formula by wrapping the clean function with Excel's trim function. What the trim function does is it removes all spaces from a text string except for single spaces between words. Step 3. Did the clean and trim functions solve all our issues? Not quite. Take a look down here. Some entries, like Johnny Depp, are still in uppercase, which isn't what we want. Here's where Excel's proper function comes in handy. It transforms text strings into proper case, capitalizing the first letter of each word and making the rest lowercase. All right. And now? Are we done? Well, in some cells, we still have some random question marks appearing. How annoying is that? To eliminate them, we can wrap our entire formula in the substitute function, which lets us replace specific text within a text string. And there you have it. In just 1 minute, you've learned about the clean, trim, proper, and substitute functions.